Right, so that's a three fish in the ski, one loss, two 3.5s and one 2.3. That's 9.3 pounds and a 3 fish bag. What up, you guys? Summertime Kev is here. We're already going into the second week of August. I don't know where this summer has gone, but June and July were like blinks of an eye. We've had a lot of rain the last few weeks, I guess, comparatively speaking, because usually in August I start counting down the number of mows I have left for my yard, or cuts. But it's growing like a weed now. There's no sign of it letting up either. So it's a mild 84. We had that heat wave for about 2-3 weeks in the 90s every day, but now we've just cooled off a bit, and it's fishing time. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Skies are relatively clear, a little blue, and some white clouds. So we're gonna drop this Fishpro in and see if we can't put some fish on the ski. Alright, so we're gonna drop in right here on mostly the river part of the lake. And it should be fairly empty today since it is a Tuesday. And winds are calm. Looks like one trailer in the parking lot, so I'll make it 2. So yeah, this ought to be good. Nobody out there. It's given a couple of days for all the traffic to be gone long enough for the fish to kind of settle back into their routines. I generally do the best on Thursdays. This lake gets real busy on the weekends, so Thursdays I seem to do the best fishing. I think that gives the fish enough time to kind of settle back down, because there's a lot of people on this lake, on the sidelines, the shoreline, swimming and kayaking and everything else. So let's get her backed in and let's get out there and see if we can put some fish on this Fishpro. Right, backed in and heading up the river for one spot. Gonna drop some big 10-inch worms in. It's 4:39 right now, so fish aren't quite moving into the shallows. I don't think. There's not a lot of shade. This one particular spot just happens to hold a fish or two each time I go there, so we're gonna try it first, and then we're gonna go look for some big ones. So I got this pretty good spot right here, and there's always a bird on this tree or that tree down there, and today he's right there. I don't know if that's a sign. It's a blue herring. They are good fishermen. That's what they do. If they don't catch, they don't eat. So they catch a lot of fish. But he's over 10 to 12 foot of water. I don't know why he would be right there. But anyway, there's always a bird there, and there's one there today. And he'll get mad in a second, and he'll make some squawking, and he'll go down to that next tree down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rigged up right here and drop this big 10-inch, I don't know if I'm June bug or black, worm into this hole and see if we can pull something out. It sure would be nice if we could. Water temperature's 84.44 today, which is down just a little bit from where it has been. Okay, I think I'll use this over here. So right now I'm set up with it's kind of a, I guess, a June bug color. It looks like it may. Drifting in a little bit too close over there, but anyway, that's coming off. We're gonna put the biggest worm I got on. Turtle. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, you jump all you want. I got you hooked, big boy. Oh yeah, you're gonna try and run too. Yeah. You're not going nowhere. Boy, you are feisty. You're a 3-pounder. Come here, you're a 3-pounder. Now you're 2. Whew. Beauty. Right where you should have been. Beautiful. Gorgeous fish. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Right where you're supposed to be. Yep. I know you can't move. .3. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Let's do a good release here. Well, you're a good eater. I'll tell you that. 2.3. Are you ready to go? Alright, that was the first fish in the boat, and we caught it on the June bug, like a 7-inch June bug, in probably 4 foot of water. 6:01 p.m. Caught it right there. About as big as the first one that got off. And I am skin hooking these because I don't want to miss any more fish. So we're gonna just barely skin hook the side there so we don't get hung up. Or I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm gonna loosen it though, because I gotta go further than that. Yes. Alright, worms. I see the hook. Here we go. Oh, he's pulling drag. Oh, he may be bigger than I thought. He's a smallmouth. Maybe that's why. Oh, he's a smallmouth. Come here, boy. No, don't get. Oh yeah, no wonder you're pulling drag. You're a big old smallmouth. Whoa. Whoa. Man. I forget how strong y'all are. Man. Oh man. That is a good smallie. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be my record smallmouth ever. Holy crap, he's huge. Whoa! That is a spot. Man, look at that sucker. It's a spotted bass. He's getting me all dirty. Is he bleeding? Got him on the tongue there. Man. It's about as big as these guys get, too. Get the blood off the ski. So that's a spot. They are very Man, they fight hard. Real hard. He is 2.4, 2.6, 2.5 locked in. Come on, let's see. I hope we're not. Oh, gosh. Yeah, you're not too good. Let's see how your lung is there. Your gill. If I got you in the gill, or if I got you. You are big. You're a big old spot. You trying to bite me? Man. So that one would be 2.5. I might keep you. I mean, if I had someplace to put you. Man, oh man. You hit it good too, boy. I thought you were smallmouth by the color you are. You are dark. Smile. Let's see if you can go away. Put this down here. Are you gonna live? There we go. Little one. He's running towards me. Oh, and I got the hooks there. Yeah. Now I got it set, I think. Oh shit, that's a big ass fucking fish. Come here, boy. Come here. Motherfucker. Oh shit. That son of a bitch is huge. Whew. That's a giant fish right there. No wonder he's pulling line. He could have come off too. He was hooked okay, but not great. Yeah, he went coming off. £3 5 ounces. Boy, fat and big. I swear he feels bigger than 3.5. And he is 17 and a half inches long. No, we're not doing that shit. We're gonna take a picture of you first, then we're gonna turn you loose for later. You would be good eating, I tell you that right now. That is a big old fish. His belly's white, and if you see his dorsal fin, it goes to right to his back, and then it starts his other fin, and then on the spot, it's about this high up. That's a good fish right there. That's a pretty fish. Okay, let's go here. It's a big one. Alrighty. Let's go back in there, Mama. Oh, shit. Don't lose that camera. Alright, so that's a three fish in the ski, one loss, two 3.5s and one 2.3. That's 9.3 pounds and a 3-fish bag. And incidentally, that's all I've caught except for the one that got away. He felt about 3. The sun, oh my gosh, look at that, just now went below that tree line. So this day's coming to an end pretty quick. Still got about 30 minutes of daylight. I'm gonna scan this shoreline real quick, throw a couple more casts out, and then bump over there and bump over there, and then head back to the dock. Probably 8 miles from the dock. But so far, so good. It's been a good day fishing. The fish came on green with a dark green or pumpkin with a bright green tail. Green on the bottom and dark green on top, which that's the first time I ever caught one with that one. And a June bug. And the black one got a fish, but that's the one that got off. So, you know, 4 fish and 3 landed in 4 different colors of worm. So worms are good. Checking back in just a few minutes. Yeah, so I fished a few more minutes. The sun is gone. Sunset is already set. I gotta call it a day. Sometime Kev, 9-pound, 3-ounce bag, 3 fish. That's a good bag. There's only 3 fish I caught, but that's okay. Today was definitely quality over quantity. Sometime Kev is checking in and checking you guys later. So this is a 2.3 pound largemouth. So this is a 2 and a 2.5 smallmouth, not a spot. And a 3.5 largemouth. Which add up to 8.3, not 9.3 like I stated in the video more than once. I don't know, I kept thinking I had 2 3-pounders, but it looked like I didn't. So anyway, it was a great day fishing. Got the 3 quality fish and 1 nice one got away. It was definitely in the 3-pound category. This is the actual sunset of that evening. Just a great day fishing in August. Catching them on worms. It's a great way to do it, and really enjoyed that. So if you like this kind of content, check out my channel, Kevin's 11 Outdoor Adventures, and spell it KEVINPLEVEN Outdoor Adventures for more content like this. There's jet skiing, there's camping, there's boating, there's fishing, there's all kinds of outdoor activities. Come check it out.
and thanks for watching.